When it comes to safety, durability, and elegance around your swimming pool, there's only one true original. Value Fencing PVC, proudly pioneering the PVC pool fence industry in Africa since 2009. History and innovation. We were the first to develop and install PVC swimming pool fences and gates on the continent, long before imitators arrived. Since 2009, Value Fencing has set the gold standard with our custom-designed, no-maintenance fencing solutions. Our innovation shaped the entire industry, from product names and fence styles to proprietary gate construction and secure installation techniques. We don't just follow trends, we create them and raise the bar for everyone else to follow. Compliance and safety. Safety isn't optional, it's essential. That's why our PVC pool fences fully comply with all SANS 10400D building regulations and South Africa's National Building Code. Each fence stands at a minimum of 1.2 meters high, with slat spacing under 100 millimeters, the legal requirement to prevent children from climbing or squeezing through.